What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be using some of the new cards. We're going to be using Furnace, and I'll be using Mega Knight because it got upgraded, and Suspicious Bush at Golden. Alright, gonna go into the first match here. Let me know what you think about the new Furnace evolution and everything. I don't know, I kind of like it. I don't know. Just gonna do that. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna drop my Mega Knight. Should I just Firecracker? Let's do it. I should not have Firecracker. Now he is King. Oh, it didn't even hit King. It's huge. Alright, he gets rid of this one. I think I'll boss bandage here. Oh, and look at that bush. It's just going crazy. Alright, we'll let the one. Oh, we'll just let both connect, I guess. Yeah, whatever. Look at the right side. Oh my gosh. Alright, we'll do that. And do that at the bridge. And now we're just gonna chill, try to get some elixir. Alright, zapping it again.
You wanna win a crown from me? Really?
Yeah. Okay, that's not great. Ability. Oh, okay, awesome. Shit. Okay, I used both my spells on that. I kind of like this new arena, like the blue and the red over there. It's kind of cool. I used Furnace for the first time. Let's see if it's good. Oh shit! Oh god, fucking damn it. Alright, I might just suck at the game. That's potential. I actually think that I might have just lost. Holy shit. Oh, haha, suck it. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I don't even need to defend that. It's a terrible water. Alright, next Expo, I'm just gonna Mega Knight. And I can just Mega Knight in the pocket there. I can do it. Bad Expo. I can just Ego Snow this to get right to it. Log. Well, I think that's all dead. And I've got a crazy kind of push. I don't even need to defend that. More offense, less defense. Way to go. I mean, how are you meant to defend this? You can't. Easy tower. Oh, that won't go. Alright, so the new Furnace is broken, and if you play Log Bait, you might as well just switch decks. There's really no point in playing anymore. Oh, come on, give me the free kind. Like this. Okay, so yeah, I kind of like the new Furnace. It's definitely a lot better than the old one. It needed a rework. We'll go into another match. Alright. I think we'll wait this time. I never mind, I'm just gonna Ice Spirit. Okay, I'll do that. And I'll probably Boss Bandit for that. Unless he plays a Swarm, then I get Snowball value. I'm just gonna do it anyway. And then maybe I'll Mega Knight. I'll just Boss Bandit. Drill, okay. Interesting. Let's do that. And I'll log. Alright, I've got a bit of counter push going. I can do that opposite lane. No elixir. Oh, that hit the Tesla. Oh, but another bush. Look at the bush. Okay, hold on. Okay, well that kind of sucked. Maybe I should just cycle my Snowball. Oh shit, I gave him King. It's horrible. Throwing off the switch. Yeah, okay, yeah, he did. Awesome. I think I'll just leave that for this. Then I can push on that side. That was bad for him. Everything still lives. Big hit. Nice. I'm probably gonna log that. Oh no, he's gonna light. Okay. It's fine. I think I might. No, I'll just let it hit. I should not have let that hit at all. Made a boss bandit. I spirit to keep distracted. Nice. Nothing like that. So he can't put his sword down. And then he put his sword down. Awesome. Okay, now ability. Nice. Okay, less nice. Still not very nice. Shit. Firecracker. Alright, if it does that again, I'm gonna have to do that. Set. Okay, let's fuck side. I'm actually gonna push, so I don't kill it, right? Oh, he's using that? That's stupid. It's dead. It's horrible. Alright, never mind. I suck. Okay. He's just letting my firecracker hit, which is so kind. Alright, if I can boss bandit, I don't think that he can defend it. Okay. Eva Bush. Eva Bush, what the fuck am I talking about? Ability. Nice. Okay. I have Eva Small that I could use. Ability again. It's better beta. Should not have known it was like the time. Whatever. Oh dang, betcha. Yes. What do I want that? No. That might have been a bad negative. We're gonna have to eat some more. Okay. I don't think that I can win this. Oh, nice. Pretty good. Wait, we can turn that plus me too. Oh yeah, nice. Firecracker turning so much damage. Oh, I hate the firecracker, dude. Nice. Okay, no bush. Dueling pressure. Nice. Okay, that wasn't very good. Okay, that was real good. I think I just gotta chill for now. Especially now that I'm winning. Then I'll probably Mega Knight, especially put something at the bridge. Okay, that's bad. Way back. Oh shoot, he switched up the placement. That's bad. I ran for log and I'm still winning. So, I don't want to firecracker right now. Okay, snowball. Building up. Go for everything, nice. Okay. Ooh, put it up there. Oh, put it up there. That's oh my god. What just happened? Oh shit. I did not see that. Ooh, yeah, I think I lose here. Pretty sure. Oh. Just start spamming random shit. Oh, how did I just win? I was just randomly putting things down that I won. It was crazy. So overall, the new furnace is really good. It's just gonna completely break the game. Especially the Evo furnace, that's gonna be insane. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.